Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa Marie. This look that you guys see here is going to be my version of our holiday look, and I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. And the colors, as you guys see, we have a bold lip, we have bold eyes, which is going to be super awesome, with a bit of shimmer in our eyes, which is super cute. To all my subbies, thank you so much for the love and support. This is barely my third video of YouTube, so I appreciate it so much. If you guys want to comment me something, I'll be responding. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and welcome on board. And I'll be showing you guys how to achieve certain makeup looks, and I'll be taking you through my journey of makeup. And I just want to tell you guys that if I could do it, you guys could do it. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, please keep watching. Bye. Love you guys. So we're up and running, and the palette that we're going to go ahead and be using today is great. Is the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Let's grab a fluffy brush, and the brush that I'm going to be grabbing, as you guys may already know, is the Morphe M535, and I'm going to go ahead and choose a transition color, Silk Cream, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my eyelid. I'm just going to grab some, tap off the excess, start right about here and build it up. And this is just going to be my transition color, and bring it as much inward as we want, because this is just going to help us for our next couple of colors, since we're going to be doing a bold look. And it's always good whenever we're going to do a smoky eye, it's always good to leave a little bit amount right here, so we could go ahead and apply a little bit of highlighter if we want. I like to bring it like right beneath it, and we could bring this specific color as in as we want. So we go in right about here, and we could even tap the color since we have it in our brush, and let's just go ahead and bring it inward. And now the fun part here is that we can apply as little as we want or as much as we want, because this is only going to help it our eye look actually transition. So feel free to choose from this specific palette or any palette that you have. Feel free to choose a color that best kind of matches your skin tone. We're gonna go ahead and grab a blending brush, and this is from Sigma. This is a Sigma E25, and as you guys could tell, it's just a fluffy brush. And the color that we're gonna go ahead and go in with next is Buns. So let's go ahead and grab Bun, this one right here. The same thing that we did with this other color, we're just gonna go ahead and pack some in here, and as you can tell, our brush is full. And now this one, since it is a bold color, let's just be mindful where we apply it, because we would have to, I mean, there's always a correcting way to go back, but you will have to go in with your nudes and just kind of color correct in there. But hey, that's another story. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right there. And this one, I'm really gonna pack it in, so I'm just going to start building it upward and inward, and bring it as down as we want, because it won't matter for this eye look. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit more. And the beauty of using a brush like this is that the fact that it'll blend itself seamlessly. So the reason we're going to go ahead and tap off the excess is so that the color won't go everywhere, so it won't land here, and we won't have to go back and just kind of take it off. So as you guys can see, I'm just bringing it to the outermost part of our eye and bringing as inward as we want. So I like doing this right here and bringing it inward. Awesome. So with the same brush, we're going to go ahead and go in with the color that's right next to it, which is a beautiful burnty pinky mauve. And the shade is called Jax. So this is gonna be our showstopper. Once again, tap off the excess, and this one we're gonna apply it right here. Can you guys see the different colors? This is so cute. So that color, I'm gonna bring it about halfway, no more than 3/4 of our eye inward. Ooh. So let's go back and go ahead and go in with our Morphe M535. Blend our upper level. And this brush, it actually gets our upper level and our first two shades that we went in with. So we're just blending it out so we won't see any abrupt lines, and you guys will see how it will seamlessly blend. And let's not worry if the color goes up, because we're gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter and it'll all be good. So no worries for that. So if while we're applying makeup, we see that some eyeshadow is flying everywhere, let's just go ahead and go in with our powder brush and just swipe it away. Because I noticed as I was putting on and packing up those colors, since they're bold, just have it handy just so we could kind of sweep it away. So next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with our Urban Decay. This is from the Beauty Insider. With some points, you could go ahead and get this. I got it online and I see that it's super, super cute. It's a little duo and it has a setting spray, and it has this one shade. It's more of a pigment and it's called Moon Dust. With this shade, I'm going to go ahead and apply it in our innermost part of our eye. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with our Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush. And this is just a dense, fluffy brush. Similar to the ones we use, but this is more like cut, more little round. This is our colors. You guys could see it's more like of a rosy gold, champagne-y glitter. And it's super, super beautiful. Do you guys see that shimmer? And I like doing this number so we won't get in our own way. And this is just gonna be a glitz glam holiday look. Super, super cute. And since it's holiday, you guys, it doesn't matter how much glitter, how much pigment, how much glitz and glam we add to our face, because it's all absolutely allowed. As you guys could see, I brought this eye as high up as I wanted to, because this glitter is more like on the shimmer side, to where somebody has to be super, super close to you to kind of see your eye look. So let's go back in with our second brush, and let's go ahead and grab that Jack's color and just go back. Let's go back with our M535 and just blend it here. I went to our local Ulta and I grabbed these beautiful babies, and it's the Ardell Wispies, and these are the Demi Wispies. So I really, really like these because they're very, very user friendly, and they're long, they're fluffy, they're gorgeous, and it gives you a little bit of the cara that we're looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave and come back. I'm gonna go ahead and apply our wing liner and pop on these babies, and I'll be back. Thank you. So I am back, you guys, and what I did, I applied eyeliner, and as you guys know, and if you have seen my prior videos, the eyeliner that I applied was from, let me bring it in close, Maybelline Eye Studio. This is in the shade Blackest Black, and I really like this eyeliner. I've been using it for years. It's my go-to, and it's just very, very bold and very, very black. Now, in this eye look, what I want to do is just a subtle cat eye or winged liner, but I extended it more outward rather than upward, just so we could go ahead and get like this bombshell look towards like our eyes. Following our eyeliner, what I went in next with was with our Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, just so I could bind them both together. Was from Urban Decay, our mascara called Perversion, and I really like this mascara. I don't think I've showed it to you guys in camera, but the applicator is super dense, and it's super, super black as well. What I do is I apply, you know, a substantial amount of mascara, and I go back and just with my two fingers, I go literally like this on both, and I try to merge my lashes with my fake lashes, because my lashes are long and thin and flimsy, and they just go down if I don't kind of do that number. And I make sure that they're all blended, especially outward. So next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this beautiful brush, and it's a Morphe M321 brush, and it's a tapered little baby brush, and I like it because it's super cute and it's dense, and it's gonna go ahead and help us out. Just for the sakes of it, I really like to use what I use on the top to use it on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this third color, which is the first color we applied here. So I'm just gonna dab it a little bit, smoke it all out. Now this is just an awesome color. So next we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Smashbox eyeliner, and this is Always On Gel Liner Eyeliner Gel in color Fishnet. So let's apply this in our waterline. Fishnet. Let's go back with our tapered baby brush. So let's go ahead and grab some buns and tap off the excess. Let's start in our outermost corner and bring it inward with the same product that we have. So remember, we're just gonna go ahead and smoke our lower lash line out as much as we can, because this is our holiday bombshell look, and we are here to celebrate. One eye. Done. As you guys could tell, we have the first color blended smoothly. It's kind of blending to our eyeliner, which is perfectly fine. And next we're gonna go ahead and go in with Jax, and as you guys know, it's this baby right here, super cute. Let's be candid of the color because it's super bold. And let's start with our outermost corner, and this is what's gonna tie this smokiness together. Just to be a little bit extra, let's go ahead and go in with our black color over here, which I think I've never used. Starting for our outermost part of our eye. Yes. Let's go ahead and go back with our fishnet color, and let's bold up our waterline. And as you guys can see, it's all smoked out. But since we use this same eyeliner to smoke at the bottom, sometimes it could get within our brush. And it's always just good to go back with our eyeliner and just reapply it and have that beautifulness going on. Fenty Beauty, let's do our eyebrows. I start from the top, just bring it outward. So once we're done with this side, let's go ahead and go in with this other side. And as you guys have seen, this is our baby brush, super cute. And I start by combing inside just here and blending out that line that I created, and I comb it all. Since we have the color in there, I just like to blend it out. This brush is a game changer. Let's go ahead and go in next with our Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, and as you guys could see, it does have a little bit of brown left over, which I really like because it'll just help us out. So I just go ahead and do this number, and I just run it down my finger to the sides, just making sure that we're nice and combed and good to go. This is my Morphe M501, and just because I have it right next to me, I don't want to go to my vanity and get my brush that I'm going to use for our lower level, so I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze it. And I'm going to get the first shade in this palette in light. Let's go back with our first brush, and it's blend our highlight with our color. Ta-da! So as you guys know, we're gonna go ahead and go in with our bronzer, and this is Too Faced in Chocolate. And of course, you guys know it smells delicious. Go ahead and dab my bronzer brush. Tap off the excess as well. And do our little kissy face. And bring it right about here, where we're going to go ahead and apply our brush. So, bronzer, done. NARS, Orgasm. Woo. And go right about here. So what I like to do is I like to sometimes go back with our bronzer brush, and I like doing this number. Go ahead and grab our highlighter, and as you guys know, my favorite highlighter is Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics. Applying it right about here, and use our Morphe M527 big brush, and I'm just gonna go like this, and we're good to go. So last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and go in with this beautiful color from Jeffree Star, and it's in shade Designer Blood. I think it'll complement our eye look. So I like going in and first applying our color to our lower level of our lip. We're gonna go ahead and go in with next is our Urban Decay All Nighter, and I really like this scent. I think it's a coconutty, more or less pineapple scent, and it's in the summer solstice. This is how it sprays, just in case you want to know. Oh, so gorgeous. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as you guys know, I use our Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I really like the colors, and I decided to go ahead and go in with this look because I think it's very appropriate for our holidays, and now we could use this for our Christmassy. That's what I was kind of going for. Please feel free to leave me any comments. I will be reading them and I'll be checking them out. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And thank you so much for the love and support you guys have shown for my channel. I am very excited to be here, and I'll be back with more videos. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. It's Sigma, and the cut. And I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my god, I can't get words out today. And we're done. That's where we cut it.